Good morning. So today we are going for insertion and element. Insertion and element. So today we are going to learn that how to insert an element into a item, that is list. So today here is what exactly the insertion of an element in a sense. So supposing that you have an element like this 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. If you want to insert element in between these elements, in between ಏನಾದರೂ ಇರಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇರಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಇರಬಹುದು. ಫಸ್ಟ್, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ಮಿಡಲ್ ನೀವು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ we need a certain procedure over here. That is called as the insertion of an element we need to say here. Here is the one example, that is 10, 20 and 40, 50 and 60. These are called as these are called as a item. These are called as item which is having a n number of elements over here. So let us start that. Suppose think that the item is equal to 30. The item is equal to 30 and position is equal to 2. So it means that I want to insert the 30 element in the position 2. I want to insert 30 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 30 ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ position 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಹೌದಾ? So suppose item is equal to 30, position is equal to 2. The procedure ಏನಿದೆ, move number 60 to position 5, 50 to position 4, 40 to position number 3 and position 2 is blank. Insert 30 into the position 2, that is a of 2 is equal to 30. So this is the procedure we need to follow, this one, to insert an element in between the list of items over here. Let us analyze with the diagram over here. Here we have taken as a diagram, that is a of 0, a of 1, a of 2, a of 3, a of 4 and a of 5. As we know that these are all our called indexes ಅಥವಾ indices ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these are called as the position we need to say here. Position 0 we have a 10, position 1 we have a 20, position 2 we have a 40, position 3 we have a 50 and position 4 we have a 60 here. And whereas a position 5 we have a empty. We have a empty element. We don't have any kinds of element in the a of 5 here. So what exactly is saying that move number 62 position 5, 62 position 5 over here. Position 5 ಅದಾನಂತರ ಏನಿದೆ 60 position 4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತದ್ದನ್ನ ನಾವು 50 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 50 position 3 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತದ್ದನ್ನ 4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 40 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತದ್ದನ್ನ ನಾನು 3 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ just we are going to move the disk over here, that is elements na ನಾವು ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. So when we apply this before insert ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಹೀಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, after performing this follow the things here procedure, the thing should be done over here. A of 10 is equal, a of 0 is equal to 10 and a of 1 is equal to 20, a of 2 is equal to 30 and a of 3 ಏನಂದ್ರೆ 60 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ, ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ 40 ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ನಾನು 50 ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಅದಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು 10, 20, 30. So a position 2 element 30 at the position 2 I am going to insert the 30 element ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So this is what exactly the way of inserting an element in a particular item list over here. A is an array of n elements ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So this is before insertion, this is after insertion ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. And for the insertions also we have an algorithm, that is this is the algorithm to insert an element in the particular array element over here. Step 1, for I is equal to n minus 1 down to p ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ position of the element. A of I plus 1 is equal to a of I ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. A of I plus 1 is equal to a of I we need to say here, and then we are going to end of this for. Step 2, a of p is equal to item. A of p ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ array of element, p is nothing but a position of the element, is equal to item. Item ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ 30. So a of p ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ a of 2 is equal to 30 ಅಂತ. Step 3, n is equal to n plus 1. N is equal to n plus 1 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ n is? n is the subscript value. n is equal to n plus 1. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 1 ಇತ್ತು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 plus 1 ಅದೇ. It will going to incrementing the things n value. So step 4 we are going to exit the loop. We are going to end of this insertion process over here. First ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ? First we are going to I is equal to n minus 1. We are going to decrement up to n minus 1 ವರೆಗೆ increment ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ down to up to p. a of I plus 1 is equal to a of I. End of for loop a of p is equal to item n is equal to n plus 1 and exit. This is the procedure. This is the algorithm to insert an element into the particular array list over here. This is all about your insertion of an element. Insertion of an element in between the either maybe starting procedure or maybe ending or maybe in between the elements you can able to insert by using the this process or maybe this algorithm using. Okay, we'll go for next one. So inserting of an element in an array is over now. Now we'll go for a deletion of an array. Deleting an element from the array. And it means that already the elements are exist in the array. If we want to remove a particular element from the item, of course you can able to delete that one. So we are using as a deleting an element from the array. So we are going to start how exactly we are going to remove the element from the array. As we did in the previous, that is inserting an element, that is item is equal to 30 in the position 2, we are going to insert it over a 30 element. Now let us start that same element should be removed over here, that is 30, that is item is equal to 30, position is equal to 2. ಅಂದ್ರೆ position 2 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತದ 30 ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ, ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ನಾನು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾನು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ by using this procedure we will see that one. So ನಮಗೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ 10 20 30 40 and as well as 50 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 30 ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು. ಇದರ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು 0 1 2 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ 2 ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತದ್ದು 30 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನಾನು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಹೇಗೆ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಕಾಪಿ 30 to ಐಟಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಐಟಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 30 ಅಂತ ಅಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ನೀವು ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ನಾವು ಐಟಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 30 ಅಂತ ಅಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಅದಾದ ನಂತರ ಮೂವ್ ನಂಬರ್ 40 to ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗ ಅಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಅದಾದ ನಂತರನೇ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತದ್ದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಅದಾದ ನಂತರ ಮೂವ್ ನಂಬರ್ 50 to ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ 3, ಇದು 4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತು, ಈಗ 3 ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಇದು 3 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತು, ಇದನ್ನ 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಈ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ a0 a1 a2 a3 a4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ 10 20 30 40 ಅದನ್ನ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಈ ತರ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ. ಇದರದ್ದು ಅರೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. 0 1 2 3 4 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತದನ್ನ 30 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ನಾನು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೌದಾ? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನಾನು ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಐಟಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 30 ಅಂತ ಅಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ಅದಾದ ನಂತರ ಮೂವ್ 40 3 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತದನ್ನ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ 3 4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತದನ್ನ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ 3 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 50 ನ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್, that is after deleting an element, before deleting an element. So 10 20 40 50 element has been deleted from the item list. So this is about all about your before deletion, after deletion. So this is the procedure for deleting of an array from the array over here. Next we have a algorithm for this also, how to delete an exact element from the list over here. Algorithm step 1, item is equal to a of p. A of p is nothing but a array element of the position number. What is the position? 2. Item is equal to a of position. Whenever we are going to use a of 2, then it is nothing but 30 has been selected over here. ಅಂದ್ರೆ item to 30 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, 30 ದು position number ಏನಿದೆ a of 2 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. item is equal to a of 2. step 2, for I is equal to p. p ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 3 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಅಂತ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾರಿ 2 ಅಂತ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, I is equal to p ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ a of 2 ಅಂತ ಇತ್ತು. So p is equal to 2. So it becomes as I is equal to 2 to n minus 1 plus 2 into 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 n minus then a of I is equal to I plus 1, then end of for, and we are going to decrement the step, that is step 3, n into n is equal to n minus 1, and finally we are going to use the exit button. So this is what exactly the algorithm is saying for deletion, as we did in the previous studies. Insertion and deletion is the main important for your examination. They are going to ask for examination, write down the algorithm for insertion and as well as the deletion for a particular array over here. So you need to write down this algorithm, 4 steps, that is enough for your main examinations for insertion, and this is for deletions over here. Okay, then we will see in the next class, that is array over here, and row measure order and column measure order we will see in the 2-dimensional array over here. So today we will stop it here itself only, that is insertion and as well as the deletion. So be prepared for the algorithm only, insertion for inserting an element algorithm, and algorithm for deletion of an element from the array. So these two, insertion and deletion, is the most important for your 5 marks or 10 marks question. Okay then next class we will see. Okay then, thank you.